Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notification on the ASKfm application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application. After that, tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then click on this profile icon in the upper left corner again, and then tap on this settings button on the right side in the middle of the screen. Tap on notifications, that's the first option. Tap on this go to iOS settings button, and then you should search for the AskFM application and tap on notifications. Click on this button on the right side to allow notifications, then go back to the app, and here you can enable these push notifications such as new question, shout out, new like, photo, poll, vote, and so on. So just tap on the relevant one that you would like to enable. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.